Alright, here we are. Spotting the vicious, rare, insane black cat who's looking for trouble, as that is her mission, and testing image stabilization, and zooming at 20x optical. And there's crazy eyes. Oh yeah. Somebody's looking for trouble. Man, that zoom is nice. Hey kitty! Bonnie Bon. That's a good kitty right there. Alright, let's try the zoom out. Hopefully it's staying pretty steady. I just have it on basic stabilize. Can put it on active and it gets twice as stable if needed. But this is our first test. Pretty awful lighting conditions at night here on a Saturday, but just checking out the new camera.